With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, two resistors are connected across an AC source of 5 volts. The potential difference across the 6 ohm resistor is 3 volts. If the resistor R is replaced by a pure inductor of such magnitude that the value of current remains same, then the voltage across the inductor is, and we are given 4 options from which we have to choose the correct option. Let's find out. It is given that the potential difference across 6 ohm resistor is 3 volts. So let's calculate the current through the resistor. I will be given by V upon R. So I comes out to be voltage is 3 volts divided by the resistance of the resistor, which is 6 ohms. This gives us I is equal to 0.5 amperes. This is the current in the whole circuit. Now this resistor is replaced by a pure inductor of such magnitude that the value of current remains same. So the value of current will remain same, which is 0.5 amperes. And after the inductor is introduced, the impedance of the circuit will be given by Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL square. And the formula for current will be I is equal to V upon Z. So let's find out the value of impedance of the circuit. This will give us current is 0.5 is equal to V, which is the voltage of source, and is equal to 5 volts. 5 divided by Z. After simplifying, we get Z is equal to 10 ohms. Now let's substitute the value of Z and R in this equation. This will give us 10 is equal to under root of R is 6 ohms. So 6 square plus XL square. And after simplifying, we get XL is equal to 8 ohms. We have to find the voltage across the inductor, and the voltage across the inductor, let it be V dash, it will be equal to the current in the circuit into XL, which is the inductive reactance. So V dash comes out to be current is 0.5 into XL is 8 ohms. This is equal to 4 volts. Now let's check the options. So option number 4 will be the correct answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.